What's up, guys? We're back here, day 3, Super Saturday. We've moved the finals from Sunday to Saturday. It's currently 30 degrees out here in Las Vegas, 7 a.m. in the morning, about to get this track hot. We're on a tight schedule. We have to do the DRL Championships after this, so just guys want us to get it in, get it done. So what we're doing right now is doing 1 round of practice, finish up our qualifying from yesterday. Hopefully that puts me in the top 16, but we'll have to see, and then we'll do the bracket racing after that and just book it out of here at 11 to get over to the Luxor and enjoy our DRL party. So let's go have some fun.
My bullhorn works better in the cold.
Yeah. Alright guys, first practice not so good, just really cold out here. Just the gimbals even felt real stiff. It was kind of a weird feeling where every turn was a little bit harder than I'm used to. Really made for some sloppy flying. I blame myself, but that's alright. Luckily I got the pit switch, so even when I crashed out, I can still get some practice packs in. That was really good. So just having that pit switch here has been a huge help. So I'm just gonna keep running that at every race, make sure I get as much practice as possible. Anyway, I'm gonna go in. Apparently there's some finalist prizes. I'm gonna go check out, see what they are. Hopefully I get something good.
There's some variants, yeah.
All right, thank you.
Alright, so I just got my prizes, or finalist items. As usual, nice MultiGP shirt, sponsors on the back. It's kind of weird, a lanyard. Some GemFan Wind Dancer props. A little 3D printed keychain. I think these are 40mm props. Don't actually have anything to put that on, but that's alright. It's a tiny little thing. And these would have been really useful, so now I gotta get to betting. So I got my chips. And that's it.
Dude, I'm getting a little bit of butterflies. And it's not like bad butterflies. It's like I was telling Bob, you know, a year and a half ago, I was looking at photos this morning from last year's championship. It's been a year and a half, and so much has changed since then. And I've kind of changed as a person too, and now I'm kind of like back. It's super weird. Maybe it's just this race in the community, but it feels super weird. I don't know. I'm excited.
I think so, and I think Evan's a whole new pilot too.
I can confidently say this. I know I've had my
group is advanced. There's no question.
Yes, but for sure, everyone's advanced, but a couple of advanced more than others.
I know I've like had an ego and I've been cocky and all that, but I can honestly say this with 100% truthfulness that like win or lose, I'm super happy to be here today.
Alright guys, so moved on to qualifying, doing the guys that moved on, the top 20 guys from yesterday's qualifying race. They're running their packs now. We're going to see where we stand after 2 rounds. Then we get our last round in. Currently, I'm sitting at number 9 qualifying. Not quite where I want to be, but I know I can push it, do a little bit better. But let's see how these guys do. Let's see how many of them push me, how far down I go, and then we'll go give it hell. All right, guys, my championship run has come to an end. Just mid-air after the start, I got back on a pace. I felt like I was gonna do it, got mid-aired on lap number 4, and that just, it put me too far back. I couldn't make up the time I needed to move on to the top 16. So mission not accomplished. That was really my goal for today, but you know what? I had fun. I'm just happy to be here, and I'm gonna go cheer on these guys, and I know it's gonna be a great race. Personally, just watching Headsup race versus Vanover, that's gonna be the show right there. I can't wait to see that. So I got my goggles ready. I'm gonna be watching. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna find out who wins this thing, and then we're gonna go party with DRL. Fantastic time in Las Vegas, guys. Let's go see.
Congrats, bro, dude. That was
Thanks, man.
Holding our brackets over here. 14 races to go before we hand out our share of $12,000.
That's 2 minutes. You guys ready to get going?
Well done, man. Awesome.
Get ready. have over 1,005 pilots in total. Here we go. I see your goggles down, no need for thumbs. Arm your quads, live on the tone. Less than 5. It's fun. Fantastic start. Top right-hand corner of our live stream is Heads Up FPV. But remember, we're talking about Fat Kid. He was. These guys are grouped together here through our bracket, and one of our standout pilots that we were bragging on. But it's going to be Heads Up FPV. Battle for the 2-3 between CaptainVanover and Miwo now in a gate. So it'll be Heads Up, CaptainVanover, and Fat Kid 1, 2, 3 after 1. It's all the battle for the 2-3.
Yeah, we were fighting to get out of that gate, but right now Vanover and Heads Up nose to tail. Heads Up has it, Vanover wants it. Vanover has it now, Heads Up trailing as they come across the line. Working together through the climb gate, split S and now through the bottom side here to the Hobby Wing Slurtles. Up, down, in, and out through the DRL dive gate. Coming around the start finish line one more time. Heads Up takes it back. Vanover now in the 2 spot, chasing hard. Heads Up through the climb gate, makes the split S.
Did you see that 19.497 new fastest lap on this track the last time around for Heads Up? You missed that? Let's see what this final lap is about. Here comes Heads Up, guys.
Race of the century here, guys. Race of the century. I can't wait for the finals. CaptainVanover, Heads Up, they're already just battling. This is what we're here to watch. I'm supposed to be gone for DRL, but I'm not leaving to watch this. Who could leave this to go do video game sims? I'm gonna race here. If they don't be racing DRL too bad, I gotta watch this.
How you feeling, dude?
You know what? I am ready to have fun. And whatever happens, happens. Whatever happens, happens.
It's the show of the year, man.
Yeah, man.
That last heat was just so damn good.
Yeah.
I just can't wait to do it again.
Oh, I'm having a blast. Yeah, this is a great event.
Good luck, bro.
Thanks, man.
Evan Turner, CaptainVanover.
There you go. That's a good one.
Alex Vanover.
Nice. Show of the year, bro. Show of the brief.
That's what's really going on. Hey, but we can't. Wait, who's the good guy? Who's the bad guy?
I think we all know that.
I think I'm probably the bad guy.
Yeah, I think we know that.
Because this is a big deal, and we got
so this is Chase Yates, guys. However, we have an iron there. Yep, Evan takes first this race. That's it. It's done.
Less than 5. Off to the races. This is an exciting time. Coming down to this. Will it be this one and done, or will we have many more? 4 laps to decide. 4 fast pilots here on the course. And they're spaced out, not by much, but a great start and a great opening lap. Watching Heads Up FPV go through that dive gate right with them. CaptainVanover, they've been battling on the lap times and the TQ times. 1 and 2 into this final. Fat Kid and Bull FPV across the line. 4 pilots across, separated by 3 seconds, 1 lap done. And really, we said, will it be Headsup, will it be Vanover? And right now, it's 0.2 of a second after lap number 1, and they're still tight here on lap 2. Wow, 1.3 seconds, 2 down, 2 to go. Watching CaptainVanover, you see that quad right in front of him? That is Headsup FPV trying to stay ahead. We're down to 3, but it's all about this 1 and 2. Go ahead.
Headsup has it now. Bit of a gap over Vanover. Vanover pushing hard, but Headsup too much pace right now.
White flag flying. This is the final lap of Chase the Ace Ironman Engaged round number 1. CaptainVanover needs to find Evan Turner, needs to find 1.2 seconds. I'm going to say he's about halfway there. They're at the Hobbywing Slurtle section, and Headsup is up to the DRL Tryouts dive gate 2.
Finishes on a 19.0.
Wow.
Yeah, so this is all the players.
We have over 200 people competing today.
Alright guys, we're getting the real racing setup right here just behind me. We just found out we're actually sitting in multiplayer for the qualifying times. That's kind of cool and kind of stressful. You can kind of see how you're stacking up to others, but man, it's going to be fun just watching guys battling out. The way this is going to work is going to give us 4 rounds of racing, and then you take your best time from that. We'll do another round 4, and then you take your best time from that. Whoever gets the best overall single round, the top 24, they'll be going on to the brackets, racing it out DRL style. Alright guys, my day at the DRL Tryouts is done. Did not have quite the showing that I wanted. I wish I could actually show you guys the footage, but I don't have any recordings of my flying. Just, it was not good though. And every single round I crashed and hit stuff and had to reset. It's just not the way I expected to fly, not the way I was flying in practice, but my practice time would have been good enough to move on. Anyways, it's not gonna happen. I had a great time. The event at DRL is absolutely awesome. They're putting on one hell of a show. Those guys know how to put on a show, and I hope DRL just keeps being more and more successful. Hopefully, like, people start seeing more and more of it, and hopefully people start liking it. It's something we need in this hobby, and we love the support they give us in this hobby. Anyways, the battery of my camera is about to die. I'm about to put it away. Just go back, enjoy the atmosphere, enjoy the people there, just enjoy the party, and have fun in Vegas. As it turns out, because Sunday was canceled, I got a whole day Sunday in Vegas, and you know what? That's not a bad time. That's a good time. So anyway, I'll catch y'all next time. Hopefully you enjoyed this route, and as always, I'll catch y'all next time. Most importantly though, congratulations, Evan Headsup Turner. You're the boss. Peace.